I can enjoy some, sexiest singer with ONENIRA on film music tagline. Pasgaram album launch. Generally, just speak on my mind.
So, Mami, I'm very, very happy with what is going on so far. Mami, it's not easy to put up such a big program. California, the last success officials can put them. Yes, sir. We are very happy, Mami. The performance, on point. So, yes, program is a success. Thank God for success.
Okay, ONENIRA in January. I know you don't want to vote half road. What should we expect from ONENIRA?
Oh, Mami, December, Tiamba album. Tikumpo Katiba MP, the movie video, so next month, Tiamba Yila Shelley. Next December, Katinamba Shelley. Mami, we are releasing an album, Hope and Pray album, December. So this time, we are not sleeping, Mami. This time, we are talking with music.
Okay, talking about staging a concert, because the last concert, Radash. So since the Tulanya concert, the expecting concert from ONENIRA and the Boss family.
Mami, Hope and Pray, we'll be doing the Hope and Pray tour. We'll be doing the Hope and Pray tour. Mami, after we drop the album, we drop the album in December. Telling the tour, we'll be going around before Kati Stadium to program the main event. So yes, from December when I think I'm in the Damble. Yes, programs man when I then Yinapam.
We are very grateful to have ONENIRA on our show. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Thank you.